Hey, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more C# and Visual Studio programming tips, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So you have created a new application in Visual Studio 2019. You might be surprised to learn that your application isn't using C# 8 by default. Not unless you are targeting .NET Core 3 or higher, or the .NET Standard 2 or higher. To figure out which version of C# you are using, you need to right-click on your project in the Solution Explorer and click on Properties from the context menu. Take note of the target framework selection here. On the Build tab towards the bottom, you will see that there's a button called Advanced. Click on that button to open the Advanced Build Settings screen. When the screen is displayed, you will not see the version of C# your application is using. The version of C# is automatically selected based on the version of the .NET framework you are using. This is where the target framework we saw earlier comes into play. If you can recall, you remember that we had selected .NET Core 3.1. This means that our project automatically uses C# 8. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.